What's included? Your kit includes a drill bit, threaded bucket tongue adapter, 2 rubber washers, plastic nut, hose, threaded hose coupling, filter hanger, screw-on filter with a cap, cleaning plunger, cleaning coupling, and an instructional sticker. Please note, not all kits include a drill bit. Important: remember to always wash your hands with soap and water before handling the filter. Assembly instructions. Step 1. Find a sturdy food-grade plastic container. The size can be anywhere from a 20-liter bucket up to a 200-liter barrel or drum. Avoid anything that previously stored chemicals or paint. Step 2. Use the drill bit to create a hole 4 centimeters or about 3 fingers from the bottom of the bucket. This allows dirt to settle on the bottom of the bucket. You can do this by hand, but a power drill will speed up the process. Remove any loose pieces of plastic afterwards to prevent leaks. Step 3. Insert the bucket tongue adapter and secure it on the outside of the bucket with a rubber washer. Place the second washer on the inside and secure it with a plastic nut. The small wedge side of the washers should touch the bucket. Tighten the nut so it is hand-tight to avoid any leaks. Step 4. Connect the hose to the bucket tongue adapter. Attach the threaded coupling to the other side of the hose. Then take the filter hanger and slide it up the back side of the filter. Screw the filter onto the hose coupling. Only hand tighten. Don't over-tighten by using any tools. And hang it on the side of the bucket. Filtering water. Step 1. If the water being filtered is muddy, then pre-filter it with a cloth or t-shirt. This will help improve the flow rate through the filter. Step 2. Now, to start the flow of water, remove the cap on the filter and simply lower the filter down. Also, make sure to vent the top of the bucket to ensure proper flow rate. Step 3. To turn off the filter, hang it on the side of the bucket and screw the cap back on. Avoid letting the filter dry without cleaning and backwashing it. Backwashing with the cleaning plunger. Step 1. Filter 1 last cup of water. Step 2. Fill the cleaning plunger with the filtered water. Step 3. Remove the filter cap and insert the plunger onto the tip of the filter. Use the palm of your hand to backwash the filter with force into the dirty bucket. Repeat 3 times or until the water runs clear. Discard the backwashed water. Backwashing with the cleaning coupling. Step 1. Fill a clean plastic bottle with filtered water. Step 2. With the filter still connected to the hose, screw the cleaning coupling onto the drinking side of the filter. Then screw the bottle of filtered water onto the cleaning coupling. Step 3. Tip it upside down and squeeze forcefully to backwash the filter into the dirty bucket. Repeat until the water runs clear and easily. Discard the backwashed water. Remember to clean the filter after every 20-liter bucket or at least once a day. This will help maintain the flow rate. Important: store your filter out of direct sunlight when not in use, and make sure the filter does not freeze.